What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Big Mark Adventures. Today we're just going to drive around and see the aftermath of the storm from yesterday's snowstorm of 2025, February 11th. And as you can see, it's just rain right now. Temperature holding at 33, 34 degrees. It's just a cold rain. I would still be mindful though. There could still be patches of black ice out here, but right now I highly doubt it. But still be mindful and just drive with care. Still have your emergency kit in your car if you had it. Your blankets and your water, flashlights and things like that if you have it. But as far as today goes, it's all rain. And I think we're going to get all rain the rest of the time the storm is here. I think we're pretty much on the tail end of the storm because the rain, snow line looked like it moved up north a little bit more. So I think people up in DC and all that, in that area up there, I'm sure they're probably still getting some sleet and snow. Or down here it's just all rain. So we'll just take a ride and just see what's going on out here. Won't be a long vlog today like yesterday. Just wanted to kind of show you guys the road conditions out here right now. So it's just not too bad. This dude in front of me got a big dent in the car on the ass end. You see that big dent? Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah, you can see it right there, right in the middle. So far right here, traffic's moving pretty well. Shouldn't be no cause for any backups or anything unless you just can't drive. driving right by Thomasville High School. I'm kind of surprised that the schools are closed today, knowing that it's just wet out here. And I even think in the back roads of Chesterfield County right now, I don't even think it's that bad, to be honest. So I don't think there's any reason why they closed school today. They had it yesterday at a 2-hour delay for today, but you know how Chesterfield, how it is around here. You know, you can anticipate it to come, that a closure is going to come. It'll start off as a 2-hour delay, and probably 2 hours later they'll notify you again and say, oh, schools are closed today. Really? I think they could have went today. Like I said, it's just wet out here. Just a cold rain. I haven't heard no sleet hitting the car or anything, so I know it's not sleeting. Thought about stopping at Walmart or Kroger, but I just don't feel like stopping anywhere. That's what they guys want to go home. After I do this little vlog. Now I will say this, there probably will still be a little bit of ice on the trees and stuff in the power lines. Because a lot of the trees out here looks a little weighed down. Because when I left the house this morning for work, the tree in my house kind of almost draped the driveway. And the temperature really hasn't changed much, so I know the ice and stuff is still on the trees. So Another rule of thumb is be mindful of trees. They can still come down, and you don't want that and damage your vehicle, your house, or things like that. Just be mindful of the trees and ice on them still. But with the ice and stuff on the trees, it does look beautiful. Looks Christmassy. Watch out for flying snow up people's cars too. One almost just hit me just now. Cars that have snow on the top of the roof. I just see them flying off. They could be flying projectiles. Be careful with that. There's like several cars just in front of me that is going. Alright, I decided I'm gonna go to Wendy's real quick, grab a little bite to eat for breakfast, and just ride on to the house. Just literally like 3 minutes down the street, so I'll probably end the vlog here in the next couple of minutes. So if you like what you see on the channel, you know, I post just about anything, you know, travel vlogs. Apparently I'm doing road condition vlogs right now when needed. You know, museums, you know, theme parks, whenever I get a chance to do so. Some graveyards with some historical significance. Like on the channel, I did Hollywood Cemetery. In the summertime, or spring and summertime, I'll try to do some state parks as well. Walk the trails and stuff like that. So all that kind of stuff's on the channel. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you do so. Like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps out the channel. And I don't really ask y'all to like and subscribe all the time. You'll never really hear me say that in my videos, but so often, here and there. But it does help the channel out. And get ready to pull into Wendy's. I think they're, I can't tell if they're open or not. Oh, they have breakfast. I don't know if they're open. Yeah, whatever, I'll just go home. I don't think all the Wendy's are open at a certain for breakfast. It might be and just really slow, but the hell with it. Let's go home. So yeah, if you want to give this channel a like, video a like, subscribe to the channel. Big Market Adventures, and we will see you on the next adventure. Take care, guys.